Hey everybody! I'm here today to show you and tell you how to turn off the Joy-Cons on a Nintendo Switch. This will be a super easy tutorial and also a full tutorial, so let's get right into the video. As you can see right here, these are the Joy-Cons for my Nintendo Switch. They are synced up to the Switch, they're powered on, and my Nintendo Switch is powered on just off screen over there. So that's why you see these lights over here, because they're connected, they're synced, and they're powered on. Now how do you turn them off, okay? I'm going to show you, it's actually really easy to do. Most people, when they turn off their Nintendo Switch, the Joy-Cons will turn off as well. But if you want to turn them off while the Switch is still in use, it's really easy to do. All that you got to do is look at the Joy-Con and look on the inside portion of the Joy-Con. This one would attach to the Switch like this, so this is the inside. Where the light is right here, there's going to be a little button, and that's the sync button. If you push that button, it's going to turn it off. Just like that. If you look at the other one is still powered on, because I didn't turn this one off yet. Once again, look at the inside of the Joy-Con, and between these buttons right here, which are the left and the right buttons basically, between those right there, there's going to be a little button, which is the sync button. You just push it, and the Joy-Con turns off. That's it. It's literally that simple. If you like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment, and of course, be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.